Ever wondered how to make each day count in your journey towards wellness? Let us delve into the essence of a day filled with nourishing food and invigorating exercises. Picture this. The dawn breaks, your day begins with a delightful blend of creamy Greek yogurt, crunchy granola, and a symphony of fresh berries. This breakfast parfait not only tantalizes your taste buds, but also injects a burst of essential nutrients to kickstart your day. For more wellness tips and exciting recipes, visit us at rakeshmishra6975.com. As the sun reaches its zenith, it's time for a midday meal that combines taste and nutrition in equal measures. A quinoa salad loaded with protein-rich black beans, sweet corn, and creamy avocado, all tied together with a zesty lime dressing, makes for a perfect lunch. It's a colorful fiesta of flavors that keeps you satiated, energized. For the rest of the day, for more delightful recipes and health tips, visit us at rakeshmishra6975.com. As the evening draws close, imagine treating yourself to a dinner that is both sumptuous and wholesome. Relish the succulence of grilled shrimp skewers, served alongside golden roasted sweet potatoes and vibrant green asparagus. This medley of taste colors not only pleases the palate, but also feeds the body with essential nutrients. Visit us at rakeshmishra6975.com. But wellness isn't just about what you eat, it's about moving your body too. Dedicate 40 minutes of your day to a revitalizing session of yoga or Pilates. Focus on your flexibility, your core strength, and let your mind unwind. Connect with your breath, find your inner peace, and let your body and soul flow in harmony. For more wellness tips, visit us at rakeshmishra6975.com. And so, the day ends, leaving you nourished, rejuvenated, and ready to take on tomorrow. Remember, wellness is a journey, not just a destination. Embrace each day with wholesome meals and mindful exercises, and watch as your health and happiness flourish. So why not start this journey today? Incorporate these tips into your daily routine and experience the transformation. After all, your journey towards wellness begins with. For more tips and guidance, visit us at rakeshmishra6975.com.